Okay, Chef Michael here. We're grilling burgers. Now, what I did was, I'm doing the buns first, okay? And the reason being is, why do we grill the buns? It's so the juices don't flow and make the bun soggy, okay? We want to make sure that we get a nice grill mark like that on the bun, okay? That one's done. I'm going to grill mark both of these other buns, and then I'm going to put them on the side. Once again, it keeps the juice from the burger making the bun soggy. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take these burgers, put them right on the super hot grill, okay? Now, we're going to sear it on one side, sear it on the other side, then depending on the thickness of the burger, it's 3 minutes per side, okay, for medium rare. I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's marked. Okay, I just seared both of the burgers on high heat. All right, now I'm going to sear it on high heat again. It takes about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it down to medium. I'm going to cover it and finish them. Now, never, ever, ever, I don't care what anybody told you, do not put salt on your burgers prior to. It makes the juices flow out. You want juicy, luscious, delicious burgers. I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Yummy! Remember, seal on both sides, seal on the other side. I'm going to turn it down to medium, and then you're going to do about 3 minutes per side for medium rare to medium, okay? Hey, now the burgers are done. Now, what I want to show you is look at how they're puffed up. The reason being is because I seared them on both sides, and I didn't put any salt on them. You can season them afterward. Now we have two very juicy, lovely burgers, perfectly done. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little cheese on them real quick. Takes about a second to melt the cheese. But those roasted peppers we made in the other video, I'm going to put a little bit on mine underneath the cheese. You can put mushrooms under there. You can put onions under there. All kinds of toppings. All right? Okay, cheese is melted. We're off to the table. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks, the perfect burger. Remember, stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. When you eat well, you live well. Now, because I did not put salt on this burger, look at how juicy it is. It's all sealed in where it's supposed to be. Perfect medium to medium rare. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Bon appetit!